Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Marshmallow Among Us skin. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and follow along. Now, to start off with this, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make the little face shield. So I'm going to draw a line, it's going to go down, it's going to go over, and come back. So to do this, you just want to draw a line, it's going to go down, it's going to come over, it's going to go up, and then it's going to come right back to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And then instead of making it round over here, I'm going to make it just kind of curve across. So I'm going to curve this across to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. Let me go just a little bit farther. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes over, and it's going to come up a little bit. Draw a little line over here. Then I'm going to start here. I'm going to just jump over this. I'm going to draw a line that goes down. We'll go over and up. Now, kind of lined up over here, we want to add that little pack. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and then over. So right now we can tell this is an Among Us character, but it just kind of looks like a normal one with a flat head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here and I'm going to add a little curved line right here. So I'm going to add a little curved line that goes from one side to the next. So it looks like it's kind of got that flat cut off there like marshmallow. And then I want to add the eye shape in here, and I'm just going to put one in here. So to do this, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. It's going to curve around, and it's almost like a teardrop shape, so it comes back to like a point. Then I want to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to start up here, I'm going to go out, I'm just going to curve around, and just kind of come to that little point there. Then I want to color this in so we can kind of tell that it looks like that marshmallow style eye shape. Then you could always do other stuff if you wanted to add like the marshmallow smile on here. There's other things you could do. But I think I'm just going to leave mine like this. But there you go. There is your drawing of a Marshmallow Among Us skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.